Karen Reed is facing some serious charges. She's accused of hitting her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe, with her SUV back in 2022, and then leaving him in the snow to die outside a house party in Canton, Massachusetts. But Reed's defense team tells a very different story. They say she's innocent and claim this is part of a massive police cover-up. According to them, O'Keefe wasn't hit by her car. He was beaten to death by someone else at that party, another officer. So, who's telling the truth? That's exactly what the jury is now trying to figure out. On Friday morning, things got intense in court. Defense attorney Alan Jackson made his final pitch to the jury. Then, prosecutor Hank Brennan spoke for the state. Each side had just 75 minutes to lay it all out one last time. After lunch, the judge gave the jury their instructions. And just like that, deliberations began. The juror in seat number 1 was chosen as the foreperson. By 4:30 p.m., the jury was sent home, no verdict yet. It's clear, the stakes are sky high, and this jury knows it. This isn't the first time Karen Reed has faced trial. Last year's trial ended with no verdict, a mistrial. Now, all eyes are on this jury to finally decide what really happened that snowy night. Former jurors from the first trial have shared how overwhelming the decision felt. As one put it, we were all suddenly realizing the scope of what we were about to do. So now we wait. Karen Reed's future is in the jury's hands. And the nation is watching closely. Will they find her guilty? Or believe her side of the story? We'll keep you updated as the verdict nears.